Hi there. Well, I'm in the boiler room at work, and the boys tell me that it gets hot enough under that boiler that you could cook a pizza. Let's find out. I put this sucker in about 15 minutes ago. And, well, you know, cheese is just starting to melt after about 15 minutes. I'm going to put her in a little bit longer and have some cherries and come back at about halfway through break and see how we're doing. It's warm under there. Well, it's been another 15 minutes, so it's been a half an hour total cooking time. And let's see what we got. Well, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I think we're done. Yes, sir. I think we're cooked.